Hi. So you measure out 1 kg of corn flour and divide it into 2 equal parts, 500 gram each. Now set one part aside. Now for the second 500 gram, take out about 200 gram from the corn flour and dissolve it in water till it is watery, as you can see in the video, and then blend your onions and garlic together. Then measure out 600 ml of water in a cup, room temperature water, and add your sugar. Dissolve it and put it to boil. After boiling, pour in your corn flour solution and keep stirring on fire till it forms a starch. So at this point, also add your blended onions and garlic. I forgot to show that part. Then once it forms a starch, add the powdered form and keep stirring till it forms a dough like this. Then after then, add a bit more water and cover it up to allow it to cook properly and to swell properly. We are making this for business. Thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I'm glad that you are here. So after that, you scoop it out and allow it to completely cool. Once it is completely cool, it's going to be very hard. Now from the second part of the corn flour, the 500 gram, I hope you remember, take out a little that you are going to use for dusting and mix your dough in the rest of the corn flour. So keep on mixing till it forms a hard dough. You have to keep on mixing till it is hard and non-sticky. If you are watching me from Nigeria, I'm using this moment to give a shout out to you and to pray that no matter the situation of the country, God will take us out of it and we are going to be successful and we are going to see it through by the grace of God. So make sure it is completely hard, just like this. This will make your rolling into sticks very easy, and you're going to use less corn flour for dusting, and it won't allow your corn stick to soak up oil, which is very necessary for your business. So this is the corn flour that I set out for dusting. So you begin to roll into sticks. So depending on what the size you want to package your corn sticks, you can package, so that will determine the length of your corn sticks. So just roll to your desired length of corn sticks. The kokoro business is a lucrative business if you know how to calculate your costs very well. So there's a video on how to calculate your cost in my channel. Just check it out. So this is what we have for the corn sticks. Yes, make sure it is hot before pouring it in and allow it to become golden brown before you scoop it out. You have to really watch it because it doesn't take so much time for it to fry, and package into sizes. The price shown here is just to prove that kokoro business is lucrative. Imagine making this profit 10 times, and you can also scale it. It is scalable, packaged in plastic jars and so on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.